inception. In today's tutorials, we are going to make a sewing organizer. Yes, this is called punch. So you can put your scissors, your tape measures, your chalk, and like 3 of your thread and netting. Keep it nicely. Yeah, maybe you are going to do some work for someone, or in your sewing room you don't want your things to get scattered. You can just use this to organize your things. You can actually add your ruler to it as well. This one, yeah. Okay, so let's get started. We are coming to do an organizer, yeah, or you can call it a punch. Okay, so to get started, you have to get your scissors as usual, your zip. I have 2 zips here, your pins, your stiff lining, then the fabric. So per the size you want, you fold the fabric into 2, then you measure 5 inches. You measure 5 inches, then 16 inches. You do same to your lining and the stiff. Okay, so now I'll take my pieces to the ironing table, then I will iron my lining to the interface. Yeah, the stiff like this. Then I will iron my fabric to the interface and the lining, right side facing the right side of the lining. Now I'm going to pin it round. And now you can trim all the excesses. Yeah. Then I'll take to my sewing machine and stitch from, let's see here, you start it from here, you stitch around here, you come here, you stitch. Then when you get to, let's say, 3 inches from where you started, you stop. So you turn your punch from this side. After sewing, you turn it out from this side. So let me take it to my sewing machine, stitch it, and show you. Okay, so now we are done with the stitching. So I will turn in my bag, yeah, my organizer. Look at the way it's looking neat, yeah, inside out, everywhere. It's looking very neat. So this part, when you take it to your sewing machine, before you fix your zip, you stitch this part, yeah, and you can actually use this to top stitch the whole pound, but I wouldn't do that. I will just stitch this part and fix my zip. So now I'm going to give it a good price, then we continue. I'm done stitching this. I used visible thread so that you could see how I ended it. So like everything is neat, yeah. So now I will take it to my sewing machine again and fix the zip. So the zip will go this way. So go this way, pin it. Up to this point, if you have still not liked or you've still not subscribed, then what are you doing, my dear? Please do me a favor by liking this video, commenting especially, and subscribing, okay? And if this tutorials has been beneficial, please give me a thumbs up in the comment section. Thank you. All right, so now that I'm done with my pinning, I will take it to the sewing machine, stitch my zip, then okay, so you can see that the bag is already forming like a baby. Yeah, so I have this. I fixed the zip. Can you see? I've fixed the zip. So now that it's like this, so you make it lie flat, yeah, flat like this, flat like this. Yes, then you measure from the down here 1.5, then you measure another 1.5, yeah. Okay, take measure. Where are you going? You do same to this side, 1.5, 1.5, yeah. You do same to the other side too. So when I got here, I realized if I measure 1.5, it will be, I won't get enough to seal. Okay, so I just measured 158, yes, so that I can get it. Then you cut the marked points. Yeah, cut here too. Do same to this side too. When you are cutting, be very careful so that you don't cut through where you'll be joining. Okay. So when you are done, now you take it to the sewing machine again. We are taking it to the sewing machine a lot, yeah. You take it to the sewing machine again and give it a good stitch at this part. You can stitch it like 3 to 4 times. Then you do same to this part. But where the zip ends, when you are stitching, you make sure that the zip goes in like this, like you open it a little inside so that you don't sew your zip knob or whatever what you use to close the zip. So you stitch this part too, then we will continue from there. Okay, so now I'm done stitching this part. As you can see, yeah, I finished stitching this part. So what you are coming to do next is to where you marked and cut. Okay, so this time around you bring it, the zip is here, it's like this. You bring it, you open it, then you attach it to the top. Please, can you see it? Like, yeah, you open it, you bring it to the top, then you pin. You do same to all the 4 sides. So you take this one too, you open it, you attach it. Yes. You do same to the other 2 sides too. You open, you attach, then you pin. You do same, then you take it to your sewing machine and stitch it again. All right, yeah, so at this point you can go on and overlock this sides or do some knitting there, this sides. So I didn't tell you this, but I think you should, before you will stitch this part, you stitch this sides and this side, you have to open your zip, your pouch to like 5 to 10 inches, okay, at least, so that you'll be able to turn it inside out easily when you are done. So now we are done with the pouch. Yeah, it's looking beautiful, very easy to make, and it's not only used to organize sewing materials. Okay, you can even put your water bottle in it. Yes, you can put your water bottle in it. You can sew it and use it for a philanthropic activity by maybe giving it to students to put their stationaries in it. You can do a big one depending on what you want to use to do. You can do a big one, then you put your shoes in it when you are going to the gym or something, when you are going to the gym, yeah. And what again can you use it for? Let me know in the comment section. All right, I'm coming to show you something. See my shield. So let's say if this was my water bottle, you can just put it in And this is my gum. I can just put it in. I put my money in as well. Then I go with it. 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 You can recreate this, rebrand it, and put something here like this one that you can use it to hold. If you are able to do that, I'm going to drop another free tutorial for you, which I'm going to mention your name in it. Thank you. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Bye.